We are done. So,
hands down, best meal ever.
this is good. This is. Hi, how are you today? My name is Chef Angie.
And I am Chef Cathy.
We are happy to be with you in your kitchen.
So we are here to have fun, and if you like and enjoy our videos, subscribe for more fun.
Subscribe.
Okay
guys, those words are not easy to cram. Yeah, I tried, so I gave it Chef Cathy because today we are going to learn. Okay, so today we have something simple that we are going to prepare. Ask me.
What are we preparing?
We are making noodles, and these Indomie noodles are very easy to make and they are very available in every grocery shop. I like these noodles because.
But you really need scissors, Chef.
Now we let's be bougie, let's keep it real.
Okay.
So these noodles are very easy to prepare. Under 5 minutes you are done. So we have our water and it's about to boil. Yeah, so you have your water, it boils, and then you go in with the noodles. Put your noodles.
Okay.
There's a sachet. So they come with a sachet that has seasoning. We don't use all the 2 sachets for the 2 packets. We just use a little of it because there's a sauce we are going to use that already has salt. No, I don't need it. So yeah, so we'll put these ones on the side and allow them to boil. In the meantime, as these boil, we are going to prepare. We have onions right here, and we have carrots, we have some ginger, we have garlic, we have broccoli, and we have spring onions and sesame seeds for finishing off. So the noodles are boiling. We are heating a pan and adding some oil. Some oil, please. Bedam class, please. Bedam class.
But I thought you would put some in that oil.
Neda, please. Yeah, so we'll go in with our oil. So we will go in with our onions.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, so let me just add some onions.
Why do we have to go with this type? What if I do the cube?
I think because most of the ingredients are cut in that shape, which is called julienne. So let's work with julienne. Julienne, yes. No, okay. Long matchsticks, like matchstick shape. Please hold on to the pan, otherwise it can disappear.
Where?
I don't know. Yeah, so we are going to cook these until they are translucent. So our noodles, they only boil for under a minute. Okay, a minute maybe. So we are going to drain out the water. And run some cold water over them. Do you know why?
Not sure anymore.
Yeah, they did.
So we are trying to stop them from cooking.
Perfect.
As simple as that.
Perfect. Yeah, so we have drained the water out, and you can see they are ready. And Chef Cathy is, I think that's a very good. Okay, so we're adding in the ginger. Ginger. You know ginger burns quickly. Chef Cathy, so you have a question for me.
Oh yes, I think we over here.
That's okay.
And let me take in with a question of course, guys. What is your go-to supermarket in Kampala and why? I think
it depends on what I want. Like if I want like fresh meats, like good cuts of meat, I'll go to Carrefour. Then for like groceries, I'll go to Capital Shoppers. But then there's a shop near my home, Hajati. Please help me out. So I get my rice, posho, my grains, my cereals. I get them from there cheaply.
Do you ever go to Chikuba?
Well, if I'm buying in bulk. If I'm buying in bulk. Yes.
The aroma here is amazing.
So at this point, we are going in with the noodles. Have you ever tried to use this chopstick? Now, we guys are going to a restaurant.
Tell me the story. How did you say?
Yeah, as embarrassed. As embarrassed, yes. They kind of fell out of my hands. Yeah.
How many years ago?
Yeah. What do I say? Yeah, let's leave that for another day. So guys, there's this sauce. I just mixed oyster sauce with soy sauce, dark soy sauce. So
What
yeah,
if I'm not interested in the soy sauce?
in the soy sauce, then you can leave it as is, but it gives it a nice color.
Mm.
And you can see. Doing well, good. So you mix it up properly. And then for us like vegetables, we're going to add in some broccoli. This broccoli is already blanched. Please pass me that phone.
Yeah,
Yes, because you know these two things are stubborn, eh? So yeah, this is better. Can I hand over?
Okay, we go to find out the heat.
Yes.
Yes, medium low heat.
Yes, medium low heat. Okay, so honestly, we are done. We are done. And we are done. So, time for plating. Woo! Very easy, you guys. 3 minutes, Carly, 5 minutes. To be fair, you are done. And you know, I taught my child how to make them. One of my children, my eldest, I taught her how to make them. So when I'm caught up somewhere, I'm like, Mommy, what are we eating for dinner? Noodles. And I get these red blue things, these red bells.
I thought you like broccoli more.
I like broccoli, but you know, color, eh? I like the color. So we are going to finish it off with some sesame seeds and some spring onions. Voila. Oh, Chef Cathy, this is the simple way of making your noodles.
Okay.
Yes, and please don't be afraid to try it out. Very easy, and let us know how it goes.
And if you want to enhance your cooking skills, find us at Infinda at 7-Star Culinary Institute along Dr. Asaya Road. We have diplomas. Actually, we have a new intake right now. Diploma certificate, short courses. Yes. See you there.
Bye.
Sure.
Kakati, okwesa chopsticks oba nkwepo. Okay. But you know, I would have added some more chili. Some chili.
Yeah.
Buno root.
I agree with you.
This is good. The broccoli. This is good.